Right, today we're gonna bring a water fountain pump, a solar water. We're gonna take a look at a water fountain today, and if you guys can see right now, I have the LED light on because it is pumping air, it's pumping water to it. I'm putting in a fish tank so you can see how powerful this thing is, and look how powerful it is right now. Just by itself, it's pumping water. So if you have a waterfall or maybe a little pond in back of your yard, I like that they give you a different attachment. I'm going to attach one of them. You guys can see that. Look at that. It's like a shower head. They have multiple ones. I'm just setting up a couple of them so you guys can see, because they come with multiple heads like this. This is a solar panel that comes with it. Plug in, water resistant for your waterproof. All right, so you could charge this thing up. Prior to using it, make sure you leave it out in the sun, collecting sun, and it's going to pump very much water, a lot of water. So let's go ahead and put it together. All right guys, we're going to set up the pump so it can bring some water down, because currently I don't have electricity out here. So we're going to put this on our pond and make sure it works. So let's go ahead and set it up and see how it works. We're going to set this up so if you guys can see the actual pump is pumping right now. So we're going to put some weight on it, and I'm going to put some heavier weight so it could start mobilizing the water out. So we're going to see if it works. And of course, these are my actual gravel for plants I'm going to put out there, and they're going to root out. So there's a water leaking already, so the water fountain is working. All right, so we're using a different nozzle. If you guys can see, it's a lot powerful, I mean, than the last one. I put some little rocks and stuff like that, but you need a larger pond because it's going to spread high. So right now, for testing purposes, I'm using a little small pond, if you guys can see, but it's working very well, if you guys can see. So I hope you guys enjoy the video.